On location again in the lab, we're going to be talking about salt bridging in a brine tank and things to look out for and how to prevent that. So when working with your softener, this is the brine tank and the brine lid. We're going to look down in our softener. This one is unlikely to have salt bridging because the salt level is relatively low. But what happens is when we fill the tank up really high, underneath can become cavernous and the water does not touch the salt because it forms a natural bridge. Mainly based on the weight and the pressure and the impurities in the salt can cause that to happen, where you may say, hey, I have good salt levels, and you're not getting any regen. So one of the considerations to prevent salt bridging is not only clean out your tank yearly to make sure that you're not having a bridge, but also not filling it to the very top and causing that compaction and that force. So filling it a halfway, 2/3 of the way up is really best practice, and that should hold enough salt for a few regenerations. And that's the tip for the day, and thanks.